So I have three strollers right here. I have the newer Model Y on the left and the newer Model 3 on the right. And I'm going to place these strollers in their trunks to see which one is a better fit for a family car. Now, right off the bat, it is going to be the Model Y, but I do want to show you guys the difference between their trunk spaces. Easy. Okay, I did need to take out the second cover, otherwise it would be sticking out too much. Stroller number 3. Easy. Alright, stroller number 1 inside the Model 3. Already the opening is tight, but looks like it fits. Stroller number 2. I don't think this is gonna fit. It barely fit in the Y. Now it's not gonna fit. Nope. It doesn't fit. Okay, this one fit too. So it is fairly deep inside the Model 3's trunk once it's in there. It's really the biggest problem with the 3 is the opening. Alright, and we'll do a quick walk around. So basically Y has a lot more space. It was able to fit 3 strollers. It has a lot of space on the bottom as well. It has these deep side pockets. These are accessories that I bought. I'll put links for that in case you guys are interested. But deep pockets, this rubber was accessory. Usually just comes with the carpet. And the same is true for the other side as well. And then the cool thing about the new Y is you can push these buttons and it actually folds all the way down, so making it very flat, so a lot of space in the Y. And then push it again and it comes right back up. So that's actually one of the new awesome things about the newer Y. With the 3, the seats do fold down, but it happens manually. It's pretty deep. The biggest problem with the 3 is the opening, and when I'm putting the strollers inside, I try to put it very carefully not to scratch the bumper. Whereas with the Y, the other advantage is, and yes, my bumper is dirty. In fact, the whole car is dirty, but this would make dirty Tesla proud. But the cool thing is this isn't painted, so this is just a plastic piece. So this would be easily replaceable with no paint required if I wanted it to. Alright, let's take a quick look. Oh, I should mention on the 3 we have side pockets as well, just not as deep on both sides. And we do have space on the bottom that I have a bunch of stuff in here. But overall, just the Y has more space. And then, but the seats in the back for the 3, it's heated here and there, not in the middle. And the older 3 and Y, it's also heated in the middle, but they removed that for the newer ones, so just there and there. It's not cooled, even though it's perforated. But a bunch of space for my kids, no complaints. A lot of leg space as well. And the Y is larger though, so more space overall. More just space in general. Again, same thing where it's heated here and heated there, not in the middle. It's not cooled in the back. And then for the 3, it's heated and cooled in the front. These are the performance seats, so they're just basically more bucket style. Amazing seats, by the way. Better than the regular seats, in my opinion. That only comes with the Performance 3. And heated and cooled in the Y as well. Very good seats, not quite as good as the Performance, but very good overall. And let's take a quick look at the frunks. So the Y's frunk is deeper, so if I put my hand in here, you could see it's deeper. It also has a drain plug in case you wanted to put ice or put drinks and stuff in here, you can. And the 3 is not as deep for the front. You could still put a couple things in here, and there is no drain plug. The 3 is more of the sportier handling car with, it could still has a big trunk, you could still do a lot with it, but obviously the Y is the winner. And this Y also has the tow hitch, so if you want to put a bike rack and things like that, it makes it even easier to do that. Whereas with 3 Performance specifically, no tow hitch. I did see an option for the regular standard and dual motor 3 for the tow hitch, but not with the Performance. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you guys did, smash that subscribe button, and I will be making a video on my F-150 Lightning and why I chose it over a Cybertruck, even though I actually really like the Cybertruck. Alright, catch you guys in the next one.